Have you ever thought about creating your own little ecosystem right on your desk? Today, we're making a mini snail terrarium using moist soil, lush moss, and the slow-paced life of snails to build a tranquil yet vibrant miniature world. Lay down a moisture-absorbing mat and secure it with glue along the edges so it stays in place. Repeat on the other side. Your snails deserve a cozy, well-hydrated foundation. Once the base is secure, spread a layer of moist soil. Add a branch, partially burying it in the soil for a natural look. Next, place some small stones and greenery. I went with ferns and moss, which thrive in humid environments and make the perfect companions for snails. Cover the sides with moss too, giving the tank a lush feel. Snails love a home with a forest vibe. Toss in a few dried leaves to mimic a natural habitat and give them a cozy hiding spot. Miss the setup, wipe the glass, and move on to the next side. On this side of mine, I chose a larger branch and glued it securely in place. Then, I spread a layer of volcanic rock. Use a tool to make it even so the bottom stays level. Finally, I added a layer of fluffy moss, creating a soft, luxurious bed for the snails. A 5-star snail bed, soft, breathable, and perfectly humid. Every snail deserves this level of luxury. A small branch on the side adds an extra decorative touch. For the final touch, use hot glue to attach some small objects on the top, creating a slight gap. This tiny skylight allows air to circulate, ensuring your snails always have fresh air. Remember, snails need ventilation too. Just don't make the gap too big, or they might attempt a great escape to explore the outside world. And that's it. Your snail paradise is complete. With damp soil, soft moss, and vibrant greenery, your snails can roam, climb, and relax in their tiny world. Just remember to mist the tank regularly and enjoy watching their slow and peaceful adventures. Everyone, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You're also welcome to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. See you in the next video.